To dive into a little bit more detail about the signal processing going on here, it's not overly complicated, but if I show you the raw channels here, let's see here, let's disable our filtered channels and our average channel. You'll see that the signal is kind of hard to read to begin with. This is in a 1 millivolt per div setting, and you can see that the signal is basically just kind of all over the place. If I were to zoom out more, you'd see even more chaos. In order to make this signal cleaner, I'm running it through a filter, specifically a Butterworth software-defined bandpass filter, which is limiting the frequency between 300 millihertz and 20 hertz, which seems to give a pretty good signal. As you can see here, there's still a little bit of noise that manages to creep through, but it's hard to filter out that noise electronically, because a lot of that noise is needed, that you can't filter out the frequencies for the noise without filtering out some of the really important signals from the heartbeat here. Of course, we're doing that for both channels. And in doing so, we'll be able to see here filtration acting on both channels. And of course, I mentioned the last part is basically just summing the data points from these two channels and literally just dividing it by 2, which I mentioned in the previous video. So there we go. That is how we are filtering this EKG data out.